Hi everyone, so today Jenny and I are going to talk about our final project for IDEA 706, and this is the title of our project, IMDB Data Analytics and Visualization Report. As you can see from the last pie chart, TV series really dominate the database. However, we're only going to focus on movie for our report today. And the right diagram shows the data pipeline. The first step is data cleaning in Python Jupyter Notebook. Next, we load the data in GCP bucket. Then we perform high advanced query, Google BigQuery, when we merge table and try to answer the questions we want to address. Last but not least, we do data visualization and analytics in Data Studio. As you can see from the time series plot, you can see number of films gradually increasing every year, and it reaches its highest peak around after 2000 with 200K films. However, it has a sharp decline at 2020, and this is due to the COVID-19. Next, we will look at the top 3 genres per year. The trend is pretty consistent according to our bar graph, with documentary dominating and followed by drama and then comedy. Next, we're going to look at the most active movie crew. As you can see from our table, Shoja Sakai is an editor in Japan, and he has the most number of films under his name. We can easily customize the table by clicking on the slider and pick on the actor or crew name we want to see. Next, we're going to look at the most active actor. And Brahmadam is an Indian film actor and comedian known for his work predominantly in the Telugu cinema. And he has 806 films under his name. Next, we're going to look at the top 15 films with highest rating. And all the films you see on the screen are above average number of votes, and the average number of votes is approximately 3,304. And Uncle Tom, followed by The Shawshank Redemption, have the highest average rating.
So here we're looking at a table of total number of characters played by some of the award-winning actors and actresses. We kind of just randomly picked 10 actors that we like. So on the right-hand side, we have a tree map with the names of those actors. And if we just click on one of them, say Brad Pitt, the table on the left actually would get updated automatically to only the movies played by Brad Pitt. And same logic applies to this combination as well. We have a most versatile film crew of all time table on top, sorted by the number of jobs each person holds in total. And if we click on one of them, say Chris Brown, and the tree map down here will get updated as well to the number of jobs, the type of jobs that Chris Brown holds. We also pull real-time data from Wikipedia pages with films with the top views. And this data actually gets updated every 12 hours. And here we're looking at a time series plot depicting top 8 films in 2019 that had the highest page views throughout the entire year of 2019. And as we can see it here, Joker had the highest total view in 2019. And if we move our cursor here, we can also see that its Wikipedia page reached its peak view in October 2019. And we also have a filter down here where we can adjust the number of movie titles we want to look at specifically. And we pretty much did the same thing for the most popular Wikipedia film pages for 2020 as well. And the top 8 films are shown here on our time series plot, as well as the table down here. And as we can see on the plot, 2020 is definitely not a great year for the movie industry because of COVID-19. And the only distinctive pick we have here is in February, when Parasite's Wikipedia page hits more than 2 million of views just on that one single day, around the time it won Oscar. So same as before, we have a filter down here where we can select or deselect the movies we want to look at. So if we want to see the trend of the page views for the rest of the films, we just deselect Parasite from the filter, and which will update the time series plot as well as the table down here as well. And this will give us a better idea of how the trend of the total page views goes for the rest of the movies throughout the entire year of 2020. So that's all for our presentation. Thanks for your attention.